Good morning, students. Today we will solve some remaining problems from exercise 2.2. In the seventh problem, before going to start the seventh problem, I think you all are familiar with the midpoint theorem, right? Now, in this seventh problem, we are going to solve that midpoint theorem using BPT theorem, means basic proportionality theorem, right? So, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of the triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. Means this is nothing but a midpoint theorem, right? So we have to prove this midpoint theorem using basic proportionality theorem, right? So let us start the proof. Given here they have given there is a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of the triangle, and this line is parallel to third side or one side of the triangle, and it bisecting the third side of the triangle. Means we have to show that E is bisecting AC, side AC, right? To show that, let us write the given things. Here they have given DE, the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of the triangle that is parallel to one side, right? So DE is parallel to BC here, and even they have given the midpoint, and we take D is the midpoint of AB, right? Now we have to prove that, or we have to show that E is the midpoint of AC. E is the midpoint of AC. That is, if in midpoint theorem you learned that if E is the midpoint to one side of the triangle, then AE will be equals to EC, right? So we'll write here AE is equals to EC. Let's begin the proof. In triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, they have given DE is parallel to BC, right? DE is parallel to BC. If DE is parallel to BC, then by the basic proportionality theorem, we can say that AD divided by DB is equals to AE divided by EC. Yes or no? So this is given thing. By basic proportionality theorem, we can write that AD divided by DB is equals to AE divided by EC. This is by basic proportionality theorem. Now, here, if D is the midpoint of AB, means can we write that AD is equals to DB? Yes or no? So we'll write here that is AD is equals to DB. You can observe this here. I will replace this DB by AB, right? This DB by AB, we'll call this as 1. From 1, AD divided by again AD, because I am replacing DB by AD, is equals to AE divided by EC. AD get cancels, 1 is there. I will bring this EC to the left hand side. I will get EC is equals to AE. That is nothing but AE is equals to EC, right? If AE is equals to EC, means we can say that E is the midpoint, yes or no? So we can say that, therefore E is the midpoint, right? We proved it. Here we have to show that E is the midpoint. That only we have shown it here. So hence proved. This completes the seventh proof. Okay, now eighth problem. Using theorem 2.2, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side. In seventh problem, we learned that if DE is parallel to BC, then E is the midpoint of AC. We have proved that. But here we are going to prove if E is the midpoint, if E and D are the midpoints, then DE will be parallel to BC. We have to prove by using converse basic proportionality theorem here, right? So let us start the proof. Given here they have given, you can observe that prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side they have given. In triangle they have given here D and E are the midpoints. D and E are midpoints of AB and AC respectively. That is, in midpoint theorem 9th standard you have learned that if D and E are the midpoints, then AD equals to DB and AE equals to EC, right? So we'll write that only. AD is equals to DB E comma AE is equals to EC. We have to prove that here DE is parallel to BC. And proof. In triangle ABC, we'll consider this equation, that is in triangle ABC AD divided by DB. We know that AD is equals to DB. This is given. I will bring this DB to the left hand side. It looks like AD divided by DB, right? So here it is 1. We'll call this as 1. And for this also we'll do the same process. That is AE also. AE is equals to EC. That AE divided by EC is equals to 1. Again we'll call this as equation 2, right? Now from 1 and 2 you can observe that from 1 and 2 right hand side are equal, so left hand side will be also equal here. That is AD divided by DB is equals to AE divided by EC. You can observe this equation in the figure. AD divided by DB is equals to AE divided by EC. Here we got the ratios of other two sides are same here. So by the BPT theorem we can write that DB is parallel to BC. Yes or no? By the converse BPT theorem we can say that DE is parallel to BC. So therefore DE is parallel to BC. By converse basic proportionality theorem we proved. Hence proved. We need to prove that DE is parallel to BC only. Here also we got DE parallel BC only. Hence completes the proof. 9th problem. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC and its diagonal intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO divided by BO equals to CO divided by DO. Means here they have given a trapezium named as ABCD, right? In this trapezium AB is parallel to DC and the diagonals of the trapezium are intersecting at the point O here. If they are intersecting at the point O, then they are making AO divided by OB is equals to CO divided by OD. We have to prove that. For that, let us write the given things. What all they have given? They have given one trapezium and they have said AB is parallel to DC, right? We'll write it. ABCD is a trapezium and also they are given AB parallel. AB is parallel to DC. And we have to prove that AO divided by BO is equals to CO divided by DO, right? Now construction. Here I will draw one parallel line to a DC or AB. The point E is lying on the side BC here. I have drawn a line OE which is parallel to DC and AB, and E is lying on the side BC. We'll write draw OE parallel OC such that E is a point on BC. Now we'll start the proof. You can see here I will take a triangle BDC, right? A triangle BDC. In this triangle BDC, OE is parallel to DC here. In this triangle, OE is parallel to DC, right? If OE is parallel to DC, then by the basic proportionality theorem, we can say that BO divided by OD is equals to BE divided by EC, right? We'll write in triangle BDC, in triangle BDC, OE is parallel to DC. If OE is parallel to BC, by the basic proportionality theorem, BO divided by OD is equals to BE divided by EC. By basic proportionality theorem, we will call this as 1. Similarly, in triangle, we'll take here in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, you can observe ABC. In this triangle, again OE is parallel to AB here, right? So we can write that AO divided by OE is equals to BE divided by EC. We'll write in triangle ABC, OE is parallel to AB. If OE is parallel to AB, then AO divided by OC is equals to BE divided by EC, again by BPT. We'll call this as 2. We can observe equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2, right hand side are equal here. So we'll equate left hand sides are equal here. From 1 and 2, AO divided by OC is equals to BO divided by OD. Here we have obtained OC, AO divided by OC, but we want AO divided by BO, and here OC divided by OD, right? So I will cross multiply only these two values. I will cross multiply these two values, will get, or this can be written as AO divided by BO is equals to CO divided by OD or DO, right? We can match the obtained relation and we have to do proof relation, right? Both are same here. So we'll write hence proved. Tenth problem. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO divided by BO is equals to CO divided by DO. show that ABCD is a trapezium. This is again a converse of the ninth problem. In ninth problem, we proved that they had given one trapezium. We proved that the ratios of sides are equal, right? But in this problem, they have given the ratios of their sides are equal. But we need to show that the given diagram is a trapezium. To show that ABCD is a trapezium, I will prove that AB is parallel to DC. It is sufficient to say that AB is parallel to DC. Right? If AB is parallel to DC, we can say that a given quadrilateral is a trapezium. Right? Okay, we'll start the proof. Given here they are given the diagonals. What they are given? They have given the diagonals of the quadrilateral. They are intersecting at the point O. They have said. So we'll write the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O, right? And also they have given the condition here that the sides of the triangles are in the same ratio. AO divided by BO is equals to CO divided by DO. And also we can write it as AO divided by CO is equals to BO divided by DO by taking the cross multiplication of only this side, right? We need to prove that. What we need to prove? We have to show that ABCD is a trapezium. Is a trapezium. Construction. Here construction as construction will do here again same only. We'll draw a line which is parallel to DC and point E is lying on a side BC, right? Construction. Draw OE parallel DC such that E lies on BC. Proof. Again we'll consider a triangle BDC. In triangle BDC, we can observe OE is parallel to DC, right? Or DC is parallel to OE. If OE is parallel to DC, can we say that the ratios of other two sides of the triangle BDC are same? Yes or no? By basic proportionality theorem? Yes, we can say. We'll write here BO divided by DO is equals to BE divided by EC by basic proportionality theorem. We'll call this as equation 1. But we know that here we know that AO divided by CO is equals to BO divided by DO, right? We'll write AO divided by CO is equals to BO divided by DO. We'll call this as equation 2. From 1 and 2, you can observe that BO divided by DO is equals to AO divided by CO, and here also BO divided by DO is equals to BE divided by EC. From 1 and 2, we can say that AO divided by CO is equals to BE divided by EC, right? If AO divided by OC is equals to BE divided by EC means then a triangle ABC, sides of a triangle ABC are divided in the same ratio, yes or no? right? So we can say that therefore if they are divided in the same ratio means then OE will be parallel to AB here by the converse basic proportionality theorem, right? So we can say that here we got the other two sides of the triangle are in the same ratio. By converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can say that OE is parallel to AB. Right? By converse basic proportionality theorem. If OE is parallel to AB means, you can observe here, we have got here DC parallel OE, right? We'll write DC parallel OE. Here also we got OE parallel AB. I will write OE parallel AB. From this equation we can say that DC is parallel to AB. Therefore, or this implies DC is parallel to AB. Therefore, if DC is parallel to AB, as I told, I will prove that DC is parallel to AB or AB is parallel to DC. Yes or no? If DC is parallel to AB means or AB is parallel to DC means automatically the given quadrilateral will be the trapezium, yes or no? Yes, it will be a trapezium. So we'll write therefore ABCD is a trapezium. Right? This completes the proof of 10th problem. And also exercise 2.2 is covered. 2.